Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find emergency SOS options in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for emergency options, we have to go Settings and here Safety and Emergency. Under Emergency SOS, we have a few very important options. For example, emergency call number. We can enter from this list, or we can add custom number if our number is not on this list. We can also set up a shortcut. For example, right now press side button 5 times to an emergency to call for help, and we can also call emergency automatically after 10 seconds. We have a little countdown. There are a lot of useful options here. It's good to know that it's here and what does it do. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.